Hey everyone, this is a tutorial video for Impossible Prediction. It was a scam school card trick that Brian did, but he never taught it to anybody on Scam School. So a lot of people were a little upset about that. But luckily I figured it out, so I'll teach it to you. Alright, so half of the deck needs to be set up. First of all, you need a prediction. So I've got a prediction in my phone here. It says there will be 25 face-up cards. Now, once you take out 25 cards from the deck, you'll realize that it looks like it's about half of the deck, right? So that's why you gotta set up half of the deck. The rest says 14 of those cards will be red. You can't really see that here. And the black cards will all be even. And then it says, oh yeah, except for the 3 of spades. Alright. So, 14 of those cards will be red. So you pull out 14 red cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright. Now equal 25, we have 11 cards here. And all the cards are even, except for the 3 of spades. So that's going to be your setup. Shuffle those together. Alright. And in this pile, it doesn't matter. All that I do is I put the ace of spades on top, or like a card that you're going to remember. And that's going to be the top of your bottom pile. Okay. Now the cool thing about this trick is you actually can give half of the deck to one person and the other half to another person. I noticed that in the video that Brian controlled his half of the deck and gave the other half to a spectator. But if he had given one half to one girl and the other half to the other girl, then I probably never would have figured this out. Anyways, you can actually do that. You just have to keep an eye on one pile. So you spread out the cards and say, they're not in any particular order at all. It's just a regular deck. And then you give half to one person, half to the other. This is the half that we set up, alright? So, and then you have them, they can shuffle their piles once they get them, as long as they don't shuffle them together. Just shuffle them individually. Alright. Now, we do the Go Fish shuffle. So, this person on your left is going to spread them out like this. Person on your right is going to spread them out like that. Alright? And now we just mix them up. So you take some cards from this pile and put them in here. Now, the cards on your left are going to be those are all the cards that you want all face up in the end. Alright, these cards are going to get turned face up once they're over here, but you're going to do a secret move that's done in full view and nobody ever notices. So we'll mix these up in here. Alright. And grab some more. It's okay if some are face up and they get turned over again, just as long as you don't get a card like this that's face down and ends up face down like that, because that's going to be a problem. So if somebody drops a card or something, then it might screw up the trick. So mix these up, grab a few more, mix those up, and you want a good kind of half and half mix. cards, so just stop everybody once some of the cards are kind of half mixed like that. And a couple more. Mix them in. Alright, so I think now is a good time to stop. So you say to the people shuffling the cards, you say, alright, so we got a bunch of face-up cards here and face-down cards, you know, a huge mixture, and it's just chaotic, right? And then over here you got the same thing, and all you're gonna do is that. And that's your move. Now just make sure you don't turn this pile over again, and it should be set up. You can pretend, oh okay, I'm gonna make them all facing the same direction, and then just be like, oh, I was just kidding you. Anyways, so this is the result. So you pull out your prediction, and I'm gonna go back to the first page, and you reveal your prediction. It says there will be 25 face-up cards. So you could have them count the cards, or you could count the cards. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and that should be it. Yep. Alright, so, oops, I'm gonna split those just to make it a little simpler. Alright, next part of the prediction is 14 of those cards will be red. So let's count the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And then the rest is all the cards will be even, or the black cards will be even. So you can have somebody going through the black cards, and then they're like, aha, and they pull one out and they call you on it. So you just be like, oh shit, I forgot about that one. And the rest of them are all even. And then your prediction says, oh yeah, except for the 3 of spades. So this is actually the same way of doing the trick right now. If you were to have these face up like that on top of that face down pile, and then just be like, okay, we're gonna mix them up, and then ta-da. That's a really simplified, organized way of doing this same trick. It's just the other way looks just so much more chaotic, and it's just way more convincing, and the move is, all you have to do is flip one pile over and then everything's oriented the same way. So it's a great trick, and the setup is done long in advance. So yeah, take it to the streets and have fun with it.